Rail American 2 texture hoodie, you know how it be. Combining visions, combining textures, and identities into greatness. Here I'm deconstructing the garments, taking out the stitching. Here are all the pieces laid flat. We got the denim sleeves, worn, rugged, built for life. A hoodie that breaks expectations, a statement of identity and function. Pieces that don't seem to fit together somehow always can. Greatness is built from the variation. The sleeves are all put together, featuring the extended hoodie cuff. Cut the rail star graphic on the pouch here, front center seam. Here it is.